Good morning. This is Price is King. Let's take a look at what's going on overnight trading on the pound. Let's start with the pound first. A lot of great setups around 11 o'clock last night Eastern time. You can see this setup right here that went down, and then there's another setup right here. We had this one that could have been stopped out. I know I got stopped out on this. Look at this big green candle that stopped me out, got me along on this one. This has become a scalper's paradise. So per se, I mean, look at all these small setup you'll see on the ES. This is a great setup going down. We got a current setup that's long that we're in. Let's take a look at what's going on the ES. Look at all this. The very choppiness, very choppiness, but and this is what I was talking about scalper's paradise, right? You can get these small handles and then you can get one of these big ones, but then you can get stopped out on this one, right? So I got stopped out on there, possibly over here if you didn't scalp it, and then a long one down here. So that's what's going on ES. Lastly, GC, great setup. The first one that we took right around here, and then another one right here. Boom, give you a nice leg down. Couple of setups here. Currently, we're on a long setup. Let's see how it works out. This is on the GC gold. Lastly, let's take a look at what's going on overall in the market. Last couple of days, it crossed our you know RAM indicator right around here when the big market drop. You can see that it still be below it, so I'm anticipating another continued leg down on the market. Hopefully, so just be careful on your longs and trade them well, guys. PriceIsKing.com. Come take a look and subscribe to our free trial.